Release the needle set screw and take out the needle. The flat side of the needle is facing towards the back of the machine. Insert the needle to its highest point. Tighten the needle set screw. Press the lever on the back of the presser foot holder. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Remove the needle plate set screws. Remove the needle plate. Clean the dust and lint clogging the machine. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.